A gas line rupture caused several homes in northeast Bakersfield to be evacuated this morning. A road crew hit a 3-inch gas line that sparked 30-foot-high flames. PG&E crews worked to shut off the gas as the fire department kept the flames from spreading. The 3-inch steel gas line was about 6 inches below the asphalt, causing PG&E crews to dig at least 5 feet down to shut off the leak. Now, road crews had been working on that project since last fall, but temporarily stopped work in November to allow utility crews to lower their lines. But the contractor says the utility company dropped the ball. 23 ABC's Mark Christian joins us now live from to explain. Mark?
That's right, Jackie. Before any crews do any digging, they're supposed to check with utility companies first. PG&E says it's extremely important to make the call before the construction crew hits the ground.
To make sure that incidents like this don't happen, to make sure that when you're digging, you understand what is underneath the ground to keep you and the surrounding area safe.
So we checked with the county and the contractor, and they say they both followed procedure before they began the project. That improvement project was slated to remove the old asphalt and resurface it to bring it up to present code. Birch Construction says they made the call last year and even has their ticket number as proof. Road crews stopped work in November so utility crews could lower the lines. They said PG&E lowered several lines but missed this one, and they didn't know about it until today when they hit the line. Road crews started up work again in March, and residents say they've seen utility crews out here for months.
Uverse and cable, the telephone company's been here, PG&E has been here. So yes, there's been a lot of things going on.
As construction crews were grinding up the pavement, they hit the 3-inch gas line that was about 7 inches below the surface.
And before any digging, small or large, is done, you're required to call 811 48 hours before that digging begins.
Now, right now, the cleanup crew is going on right now. I want to bring in Battalion Chief Gary Turner. Talk to me about the cleanup process. We see this huge crane here. They just removed the asphalt grinder. Talk to about what is going on at this point.
Well, right now the crane is, they're putting away all their equipment, stowing their gear, and shortly after the crane is released, then we'll start opening up the road. PG&E right now is finishing up, they're going to kill one line, and they're going to be able to reroute the gas in for the 7 houses that are without natural gas right now, hopefully by 9:30 tonight. And there's only going to be a small portion of the road that's going to still be closed. We've had street sweepers in here and another crew come in to clean up the diesel spill and the hydraulic spill that when our fire equipment started putting water onto the fire, we knew that there was product coming out of the machine. It had approximately 300 gallons of diesel fuel and hydraulic fluid. There was more hydraulic fluid. And the crews were able to put booms on it, keep that water from flowing into the sump and control that.
Very good. Thank you, Battalion Chief, very much. As the cleanup crew goes on, as he said, the road is still closed right now, but it should be open a little later on this evening. And as we said, the county and the construction crew said they made the phone call before they started digging last November. PG&E says they are still investigating. Reporting live in northeast Bakersfield, Mark Christian, 23 ABC.